Top 10 Best Biopic Films, Bollywood to watch now. Exploring the lives of real heroes and heroines through biographical films has always been a captivating experience for audiences. In Bollywood, these biopics not only entertain but also inspire, shedding light on the struggles and triumphs of remarkable individuals. Today, we delve into the world of top 10 Bollywood biopics that have left a lasting impact on viewers, showcasing stories of courage, resilience, and determination. From war heroes to sports legends, these films bring to life the extraordinary journeys of ordinary people who dare to dream big and make a difference.
जॉब का सिक्योरिटी में फंस गए ना पापा, तो हम आगे कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे।
Number 10. Aligarh. Aligarh is a movie based on the life of Professor Ramchandra Siras, a respected teacher who faced discrimination because of his sexual orientation. The film shows how Siras struggled to keep his personal life private, but was eventually outed and faced severe consequences. Manoj Vajpayee's performance as Siras is outstanding, capturing the professor's quiet strength and loneliness. The movie also explores the themes of social intolerance and the importance of acceptance. Aligarh is a powerful story that highlights the struggles of the LGBTQ+ community and the importance of acceptance and understanding. It's a must-watch for anyone who wants to learn more about the challenges faced by this community and the importance of being open-minded and accepting of others.
Was it your lover?
तुम लोग ये शब्द के पीछे क्यों पड़ जाते हो? कभी लव को भी समझने की कोशिश किया करो. It's a beautiful world.
Number 9. Bandit Queen. Bandit Queen tells the true story of Phulan Devi, a woman who went from being a victim of abuse to a powerful figure in Indian politics. The movie shows how Phulan faced hardships, including being a bandit, before becoming a respected politician. The film portrays Phulan's journey with raw honesty, highlighting her struggles and triumphs. It shed lights on the challenges she faced and the strength she found within herself to rise above her circumstances. Starring Seema Biswas as Phulan Devi, the movie captures the essence of her resilience and determination. Bandit Queen is a gripping biopic that showcases the indomitable spirit of a woman who defied societal norms and fought for justice. It's a compelling watch for those interested in stories of empowerment and rebellion.
Phulan Devi हूँ मैं, देवी, जब बिहारों की देवी, यही रहूंगी मैं.
Number 8. Sher Shah. Sher Shah is a biopic that tells the story of Captain Vikram Batra, a brave Indian Army officer who fought in the Kargil War. The movie follows Batra's journey from his early days to his heroic actions on the battlefield. Siddharth Malhotra delivers a powerful performance as Batra, capturing the officer's courage, patriotism, and personal life. The film showcases Batra's bravery and sacrifice as he fought to defend his country's honor. Sher Shah is a tribute to the real-life hero, highlighting the importance of valor and selflessness. It's a must-watch for anyone interested in stories of military heroism and sacrifices made by our brave soldiers. The movie's emotional depth and attention to detail make it a compelling biopic that will leave a lasting impression on the audience. Sher Shah is a true celebration of Vikram Batra's legacy and the spirit of India's armed forces.
तिरंगा हम ही लहराएंगे.
Number 7. MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni narrates the inspiring life of Indian cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The film showcases Dhoni's humble beginnings, his struggles, and his right to cricketing stardom. Sushant Singh Rajput's portrayal of Dhoni is captivating, capturing the cricketer's passion, resilience, and leadership on and off the field. the movie delves into the untold aspects of Dhoni's life, offering a glimpse into a man behind the cricketing legend. Through its engaging storytelling and heartfelt performances, MS Dhoni resonates with audiences, highlighting the importance of perseverance and chasing one's dreams. It's a must-watch for cricket fans and anyone seeking a tale of determination and success in the face of challenges.
ये तीनों अब ओडीआई टीम में फिट नहीं बैठ रहे।
जो धोनी को प्रमोट करता है, धोनी उसी को आज बाहर करना चाहता है।
ये इन तीनों को निकाल के रुकने वाला नहीं है।
We are all servants and we are all doing national duty.
Number 6. Dangal. Dangal tells the inspiring story of Mahavir Singh Phogat, a wrestler who trained his daughters Geeta and Babita to become world-class wrestlers. The film showcases the Phogat family's journey, from their humble beginnings to their triumphs on the wrestling mat. Aamir Khan's performance as Mahavir Singh Phogat is outstanding, capturing the father's unwavering dedication and love for his daughters. The movie highlights the challenges faced by the Phogat family, including societal pressures and personal struggles, but ultimately celebrates their triumphs and the pride they bring to their family and country. Dangal is a heartwarming and uplifting film that showcases the power of family, perseverance, and the pursuit of one's dreams. It's a must-watch for anyone inspired by stories of overcoming adversity and achieving greatness.
बात हमेशा याद रखना बेटा, अगर सिल्वर जीती तो आज नहीं तो कल लोग तन्ने भूल जाएंगे, गोल्ड जीती तो मिसाल बन जाएगी।
Number 5. Sarabjit. Sarabjit is a biopic that narrates the tragic story of Sarabjit Singh, an Indian farmer who was wrongfully imprisoned in Pakistan on charges of espionage. The film delves into Sarabjit's harrowing ordeal, his fight for justice, and the unwavering support of his family, especially his sister Dalbir Kaur. Randeep Huda's portrayal of Sarabjit is emotionally gripping, capturing the pain, suffering, and hope of a man caught in a web of political turmoil. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's performance as Dalbir Kaur is equally powerful, showcasing a sister's relentless battle to prove her brother's innocence. Sarabjit sheds light on the injustices faced by individuals caught in the crossfire of political conflicts, highlighting the strength of a human spirit in the face of adversity. It's a poignant and thought-provoking film that resonates with themes of resilience, family bonds, and the quest for truth and justice.
क्या लिखा है यार? अरे बताना क्या लिखा है? सजाए मौत, हाँ?
सरबजीत झूठे मुकदमे में फंसा, वो भी पाकिस्तान में।
Number 4. Pan Singh Tomar. Pan Singh Tomar tells the inspiring story of Pan Singh Tomar, a renowned Indian athlete who turned into a dacoit after his retirement from sports. The film showcases Tomar's journey from being a 7-time national steeplechase champion to becoming a feared rebel. Irfan Khan's performance as Pan Singh Tomar is outstanding, capturing the athlete's passion, perseverance, and pride. The movie highlights the challenges faced by Tomar, including the injustices he suffered and the struggle he faced in his personal life. Pan Singh Tomar is a thought-provoking and emotionally charged film that showcases the importance of standing up for what is right and fighting for justice. It's a must-watch for anyone inspired by stories of courage and conviction.
आप डकैत कैसे बने?
बिहार में बागी होते हैं, डकैत मिलते हैं पार्लियामेंट में।
Number 3. Super 30. Super 30 tells the remarkable story of Anand Kumar, a mathematician from Patna, India, who founded the Super 30 program to coach underprivileged students for the prestigious IIT JEE entrance exam. Hrithik Roshan's powerful performance as Anand Kumar captures the teacher's unwavering dedication, passion, and compassion. The film follows Kumar's journey as he battles societal prejudices and financial constraints to provide free education and mentorships to students from impoverished backgrounds, helping them achieve their dreams of securing admission to the Indian Institute of Technology. Super 30 is an inspiring tale of the transformative power of education and the impact of a single individual's commitment to empowering the less fortunate. It's a story that celebrates the triumph of the human spirit and the belief that with the right guidance and opportunities, anyone can achieve greatness. This biopic is a must-watch for those seeking inspiration and a renewed faith in the power of education to change lives.
ये चीटिंग है ये। तो किस्मत इन बच्चों के साथ जो किया वो क्या? प्रतिभा दिए, साधन नहीं दिए। चीटिंग नहीं तो और क्या? आशीर्वाद है।
Number 2. Sardar Udham. Sardar Udham chronicles the life of Udham Singh, a freedom fighter who avenged the Jallianwala Bagh massacre by assassinating Michael O'Dwyer. The film portrays Udham Singh's journey from a young man witnessing the brutal massacre to his transformation into a symbol of resistance and justice. Vicky Kaushal's portrayal of Udham Singh is powerful, capturing the revolutionaries' unwavering determination and patriotism. The movie delves into the historical context of colonial India, shedding light on the sacrifices made by individuals like Udham Singh for the country's independence. Sardar Udham is a poignant and thought-provoking film that honors the legacy of a hero who fought for freedom and justice. It's a must-watch for those interested in stories of courage, sacrifice, and the fight against oppression.
You want the freedom of your people. You should be there.
I fight different way.
तुम चले जाओ यहाँ से।
अगर हमने यहाँ लंदन में ब्रिटिश के हार्ट में कुछ कर दिया, हमारा मैसेज पूरे वर्ल्ड तक जाएगा।
Number 1. 12th Fail. 12th Fail is a biopic that tells the story of an underdog who defies all odds to achieve success. The film follows the journey of a young man who, despite fail upon his dreams. The movie's narrative is engaging and unpredictable, keeping the audience hooked throughout. The lead actor's performance makes 12th Fail stand out is its ability to avoid predictability and offer a fresh perspective on the underdog narrative. The film's attention to detail and its commitment to authenticity make it a compelling watch for anyone. Thanks for joining us on this cinematic adventure through the fascinating world of top 10 biopic films in Bollywood. Which film impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more captivating content on all things Bollywood. Until next time, keep watching, keep enjoying, and keep spreading the magic of cinema.